back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti. Today we're making one of our favorite snacks.
I know, we eat this like
numerous times a week. Yeah,
at least.
it's so simple.
It's almost unbelievable because the time it takes to make this is so short and it's so flavorful. So all we do is use a whole head of cauliflower. We've just prepared it in little chunky pieces. You can do big chunks, little tiny popcorn size, however you like it. And then we just throw on a bunch of spices. And I marinate it a little. I say marinate, but I just put it right in the oven because
we just toss it in the liquid so that the seasonings adhere to the cauliflower and pop that baby in the air fryer.
And I want to tell people that this is an oil-free recipe, and it's really incredible for weight loss because we're adding a little curry powder as one of our spices, and that itself boosts your metabolism. But honestly, a whole head of cauliflower, a medium head, is 146 calories. So you could eat 4 of these, under 500 calories. And I honestly,
I could eat 4 of these.
I eat this whole head for lunch, and I'm satisfied, and it's only 150 calories. But even though I'm not consciously thinking about calories, I do it because I crave this recipe.
Absolutely.
I really do. I love this. So I'll do, you can throw, but let me get this.
Yeah,
you toss, I'm gonna pour this, and then you toss it around. And a lot of that liquid won't make it probably in the air fryer, but we need enough to get coated, right?
Yeah.
Oh, bing! And I love doing it with coconut aminos or veggie broth, either way. If you don't have coconut aminos, you can use tamari. If you don't have tamari, you can use soy sauce. But honestly, I really love coconut aminos. And veggie broth I use all the time. All the time too.
Should we do
it?
Let's
do it. Okay, we have cumin and we have a little bit of chopped cilantro, really little. We have garlic powder, onion powder, what else? Curry powder and coriander powder.
Do we do the Sazon?
And the Sazon, that red one looked like chili powder, and it's a special spice that you can buy in a Spanish or Mexican market called Sazon. My mom used it all the time for our Puerto Rican rice and beans. But if you don't have that, it's very close to chili powder.
Yeah.
It just has a few extra things. And you can throw in whatever spices you want. If you wanted just turmeric and salt and pepper, that's beautiful. Because adding the pepper with the turmeric always makes the turmeric work better in your body, right? More absorbable and usable. That looks so good.
Oh my God.
Looks so good. And you can see just by these colors are just gonna bake in. So we have choices now. We can put it in a cookie sheet and bake it in our oven. But since we have an air fryer,
which we love.
We love our air fryer. But honestly, you guys, if you don't have one, you can ask for one.
Yeah. if you don't have one, ask for one.
But if you don't have
and if no one's gotten you one yet, you can bake it, you can
get one for yourself.
Yeah.
If no one's gotten you one. But you can bake it just as easy. But air fryers, they really circulate the air. I love the air fryer. I'll put the link below because I had to return 3 others.
You tested out all the goods and you got a good brand.
This one's easy and the best. Okay, so dump it in
why
there.
don't we just
pour that baby in. Now you can do it all in one go, but maybe let's do it in 2.
Just so they have space, right?
So, yep. Wasn't surprising. Let's get that out.
Oh my God. Oh, these are looking right.
So let's see how they look.
It's smelling good.
They are.
I feel like we have to taste one.
Yeah, let's try one. Not bummer.
I know.
It's not our taste test.
No.
It's not our
Is it
taste
okay
test.
that I sit on here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
We try one.
Yeah. You have some
It's in my genes.
Some incredible ability to just throw things very hot in your mouth.
Boiling. My mom had that. It's an art of what you have to do. It's really good, but I would do it
I would go
more.
longer.
Me too. Now, you guys might like it like that. That's 15 minutes. And the more you cook it, just the more it just breaks down and just gets a little more charred, but it's really good.
It's so good as it, but just a little bit more.
Yeah,
What do you
so
think? Just
let's
a few
put
minutes?
on. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, that's looking...
Still looking good.
You know what?
I think that might be enough though,
That
right?
is. That's perfect.
Time for the tasting, and I would say, you know, oh, let's find out how it tastes, but I know how it tastes.
Because we have it every
Eat it
other
3 days a
day,
week.
but it's still going to be an honest reaction.
But let me show you.
Okay.
Yeah?
I'm going to take that big cilantro
Do it.
leaf with my
She loves cilantro.
Mmm. You're the basil girl on the cilantro.
Delicious.
Okay, but we have to describe it.
Wow.
I'm always amazed that it feels
You
like it
describe,
has,
I'll eat.
Okay, it feels like it has maple syrup on it,
Uh-huh.
and it doesn't have any.
Okay.
And it feels, and look at, these are like, honestly, see, this is why I always say, I call it popcorn cauliflower, because they're just like little perfect bites. How can you get something to taste like it was fried with not one drop of oil? But when you have food like this, that's literally just 4 spices, aminos, and fresh whole.
We have 6 spices.
Oh yeah, that's right. We didn't even put salt.
We didn't even add salt.
And we're like salt people.
I cannot
Mhm.
believe we didn't add salt. And it's
Because the
delicious.
aminos has salt. But that's pretty good. We didn't put salt.
I can't believe that.
I know.
That's not like us. That is not like us.
That is not like us. Well, as we always say, you're definitely going to want to subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody just keeps getting better and better.
Mm. Damn.
It's a tease.
Mm-hmm.
I want more. I almost think that's our best one,
Oh my god.
flavor-wise.
It might be.
Okay, your turn, Deb. So, just like you said to me, like everyone experiences highs and lows. Some people experience lower lows and possibly what could be described as rock bottom. But in your life, what has low times or possibly rock bottom, what have you learned from that? What has
Well,
it taught you?
first of all, it taught me to rely on myself, and that I'm the only one that can get myself out of it, and that I can choose a way out that's a positive choice or a really awful negative choice. And so it made me be really aware of how to make the change myself. And it also taught me how strong I am really inside when I saw at the end, looking back, that I pulled myself through it all. Because when you get one thing and another on that and another on top of that, you sometimes start losing hope, or you just question if you can do it.
Right.
But then when you do it, I remember feeling like I could handle anything. As you said, I don't want any of those challenges, but I feel very confident about my resilience to be able to get through almost anything.
Yeah. Wow. Resilience, what a powerful thing.
And a great word.
Yeah.